Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So these are French gel nail tips. They are soft gel system. You can soak them off. They're more natural looking and they're quick drying. It comes with 150 pieces in 15 different sizes. Let me go ahead and show you what they look like, and then I'm going to add a clip on what they look like. So this is what they look like. It comes in 15 different sizes, and all you do is just kind of measure which ones will fit. These are considered a medium size, and I would say these are pretty close to that. So I would say they're more like a medium size tip. Very nice. But I'm going to be applying them on my daughter because I already have my nails done. But let's go ahead and see what these look like. I'll show you how I apply them and what they look like on. Okay, so she already pushed back her cuticles and then she filed the tops of her nails. So now let's go ahead and get into these. Then you're going to figure out which one's going to work best. So I would say probably that one's good. So you're going to tear off these two. And then you're going to go through each nail and do the same thing. And just kind of set them up to where you know where it's going to be. Like that. Now what you want to do is you want to get a drill. You don't have to do this part. I like to do this part because it makes them last a lot longer. Then turn it on, and then you're going to drill the inside just to give it some more grip. And you're going to do this to every nail. Okay, now all you're going to do is grab the nail. You want to grab it. Let me see. And then you're going to push it up underneath the nail like so. And grab some glue. I like to put just a little dot and then spread it out, the tip of it. And then you're going to push down and then go like this. You're going to hold it for 20 seconds. So after 20 seconds, it's going to be nice and sealed just like that. So I'm going to keep on doing it until I'm completed. Okay, so that is what the nails look like completed. You can see they're very pretty. Let me go turn it this way. I'll go like that. So these are super cute, and what do you think about them? You like them?
Yep, they're pretty.
Pretty good length and everything. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.